So, hi guys! I'll be unboxing NCT's 127 Winter Special Single. It released last December 2023, but I just got it kasi medyo na wala tayong budget. Months lang din kasi yung pagitan nila ng full-length album. So, yan. But then this will be a good collection, and this is my first winter special album with them, so I'm so excited. This album has 3 versions. I got the version A, so let's go, let's unbox it. Okay. What do we have here? Okay. Okay. Hindi ko na lang tatanggalin sa sa cover. But here's the cover page. Parang but ano ba? Okay. The lyrics video, the lyrics. Okay, let's just take it para makita natin. I'm so excited for this. Actually, I got it last month, pero ngayon ko lang na-unbox kasi ngayon lang ako nagka-time. Okay, let's just rip it. Sorry. Oh my god. Naiwan pa pala. See? So here's ito yung laman. Okay. I like this picture. Like it's parang yung parang yung old na yung family photo ng mga Americans, ganun. Naka-cardigan pa sila, nagkaroon ganun, jackets kasi nga winter nga naman. Okay, later na yung oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't want to see it. 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 Okay, here's the photo book. Wow. Ang ganda. It's like a parang old, yung parang parang old new magazine, parang ganun yung type niya. Yeah. Kaya kakaiba din kasi siya sa ibang album na meron na ako, kaya ito yung version na kinuha ko. There's a church in front of our house and they're having their practice, so kaya dinig natin yung nila music, free background music na din. Oh, cute. Oh, Teo. Mark. Oh. Wow. Tail. Oh, Miss Tail. Actually, I'm in Philippines, and first ever K-pop concert I went for is NCT's 127 The Unity at Bulacan last January. Oh my God. It's a surreal experience. And I want to experience it next time na tapos na sila lahat mag-military, you know. And I wanted to experience in Korea. Kasi iba kasi pag nasa Korea sila, umiiyak sila. Kasi pag dito lang, ano lang eh, happy lang. Kasi nga naman, happy sila na makita yung mga taga-ibang bansa nila na fans. Pero pag sa Korea kasi homegrown nila, parang uncomfortable nila. Nandun pa yung mga family and friends nila. So parang talagang yung emotional drive nandun. So umiiyak sila. And gusto ko yun. Like, hindi ko naman gusto kong silang umiyak. But I want to see them in their vulnerable state. Or parang, yung ganun. Parang medyo may drama. Oh my God, ang ganda. Sana naman lang may poster nito. No. Sana nagbigay sila ng poster. Yan, quick scan lang kasi mamaya isa-isahin ko bal. Isa-isahin ko. Oh my God, I don't know who's that. Who's that signature? Alay. Kaninong signature yun? Hindi ko alam. Here's okay, pamphlet. And here's the what's this? Ooh, Jiyun! Oh my God, first time kong oh my God, it's Jaeyeon. Yeah. Oh. Here's the whoa, be there for me. I like it. Pero hindi ko masyadong gusto yung mga nakaseparate na ganito na ano. Gusto ko yung nakalagay mismo sa album. Pero okay na din. Kasi single lang na naman siya. So, okay. Okay. I don't know what's this. Parang ikakat mo siya, may mga ano, broken lines. Here, sticker. And here's what's this? Chungwoo! Oh my God, wait lang. Parang lahat na hindi ko pa nakukuha si Johnny. Wala pa kanong ni Johnny, ni Tail. Oh my God. Oh my God. Love ko kasi iba-iba yung nakuha. How about the photo card? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Jiyun. Oh my God, Jiyun. First photo card ko to ni Jiyun. Oh my God. Oh. Hello. How I wish I knew this, but I don't read Korean letters. Oh. Hinahanap ko yung may mga ano nila. May mga messages. But wala. I don't have it. Wala pa lang ganun. Yun pa naman yung gusto ko. Kasi minsan, dito sa likod ng ano yun. Pero wala. Pero ang cute. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Jiyun. Cutie. Yeah, be there for me. There. Yuk. Arrange natin to. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, wait. Yeah. There. Oh. I'm so happy. Oh my God. Pag may budget ulit, bibilhin ko yung isa pang version nito. Oh. Wow. At sana si Tae yung makuha ko. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. This is all about, ano lang naman din, memories ko lang. Oh my God. Pero hindi ko naman ito ina-unbox para sa mga manunood. Ina-unbox ko to para sa sarili ko. Of course. Oh my God! Oh! Wow! Wow, 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 wow! Mag-guys pa ako. Kala mo naman, ang dami kong... Hindi, para sa sarili ko lang yung guys. Wow. Ay, wait! Oh my God! Hindi pa pala nakastop. Bye-bye, guys! Guys! Bye-bye, me!